Holy moly, what is this? Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new video and I have a very interesting and a super useful gadget to show you all in this video. Thing is, everybody has a laptop these days, right? No matter if you're a student or even if you have a job, laptop has become like very necessary. But see, I don't think people use laptop on a computer table only. Everybody has their own preference, right? Like some people like to use it on their sofa, some like to use it on their bed like me, but using it in these sort of places for longer periods of time is not that convenient. You get what my point is, right? And for these sort of applications, I have something very interesting to show you all in this video. So you guys remember something called as TableMate? You might have seen that ad on your TV, right? So this is something like that, but much more upgraded version of the same, guys. It's like a 2021 edition of a super table. Thing is, it's like a fully adjustable table. That means you can fold it, adjust the angle, place it at a very convenient angle on your bed, sofa, and not only that, it also has like integrated fans on it for extra cooling performance for your laptop. And today in this video we're gonna unbox and check out the product. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the portable laptop stand I was talking about. Comes in this sort of packaging. Let me just tear this outer box packaging and show you what's inside. By the way, it's available only in one color, which is the standard black variant. And here you go, this is how the actual packaging looks like. It says it's a multifunctional laptop table, has a picture of the product on the front, and here's how you can use it. Great thing about it is you can easily fold it and use it in a variety of positions and angles as per your convenience. There's nothing much written on the box, so let's quickly unbox it and check out how the actual product looks like. There you go. Oh, it's a decently big size table that supports laptops even up to 17 inches with a max load capacity of up to 8 kgs. So in the package you get a user guide. Just make sure to read this for complete info on how to use it. A detachable mouse tray to place your mouse on it. It's made of ABS, a USB cable to power the cooling fans, a screw and two anti-skid locks. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the table. See, it's a fully adjustable laptop stand made by Claw and is decently big in size. The table surface has a length of around 48 centimeters and a width of 26 centimeters and is completely made of metal, aluminum to be precise. And as you can see at the center, it's got two cooling fans and a bunch of holes to keep your laptop running cool. If you ask about the build quality, material looks pretty good. They've used a thick gauge of aluminum for the surface to keep the flex minimum. And here are the dual cooling fans integrated in the body. These are DC fans that run on USB 5 volts, has a power on off switch to the side and a DC in port on the other side. Now on the left and right side of the table, you got the fully adjustable legs. It has a 3-step adjustable design and even the leg frame is made of metal. But the adjustable joints and hinges you see over here, these are made of plastic. Let me give you all a closer look and show you how this thing works. As mentioned just now, it's a fully adjustable table and you can use it in multiple angles and positions. You see these angle markings on the legs? There's a button at the center which you need to push to unlock and rotate freely in 360 degrees all around the joint. Once you confirm the angle that you want to set, just leave the button to lock in that position. As simple as that. So the table has 3 leg extensions, right? So it's got 3 adjustable locks on both the sides. Using these, you can set up the table in a variety of positions as per your convenience. So guys, here's one way of using the table. Place your laptop on top of it and conveniently start using it. There's no chance of the laptop falling off from it because it's got an L-shaped bend on the bottom side which holds the product in place. And not to forget, the table also has dual cooling fans on the bottom side and plenty of holes for good air circulation and keep your laptop running cool. As I've told you at the beginning, these are DC 5V fans that run on USB power. You just need to connect them to a USB port on your laptop and that's it. The fan starts spinning. I've used it for a couple of days and the product was pretty much on point, guys. I faced no thermal issues. In fact, my laptop was running much cooler thanks to this extra cooling fans, and because of the comfortable position and angle that you're getting here, typing on the keyboard felt much easier and could also help reduce your neck strain or back pain problems, especially for elderly people and also for your mom and dad. And have I told you about the max capacity it can take? This foldable table can take laptops up to 17 inches in size with a max load capacity of up to 8 kgs. And not just laptop, you can even place your tabs on it, writing pads, or use it as a book holder while studying, or even use it as a dinner table as well. See, the applications are quite plenty and depends on how you want to use it. As I've mentioned earlier, it also comes with these two anti-skid rubber clamps to hold your laptop or tab and prevent it from slipping. Like an extra grip support item. So that is how this thing works. Now let's talk about the applications. It's a fully adjustable and portable table, right? You can change the shape, bend the legs, adjust the angles, and use it in a variety of scenarios like a portable laptop stand while you're sitting in your sofa, or use it while relaxing on your couch, as a tabletop extension on a desk, or even on your bed. Crazy part is it also comes with a detachable tray that acts like a mouse pad for the table. And this is how it looks like. Very nice option for people who prefer using a separate mouse for their work setup. The overall experience was nice and convenient as I could even work sitting on my bed. Like seriously, who doesn't love doing that? But I do have to mention some of the issues I faced with it during my usage. In certain positions where the height was pretty high, the table was not that stable, guys. It was wobbling a lot side to side and even shaking when you type quickly, like while programming or coding sort of stuff. And that was a bit annoying for me. If only the brand could have thought of putting a rod in between and joining both the legs from left to right, that would have greatly improved the strength and sturdiness in the design. Apart from that, everything else was fine. So that's it, guys. That was my video on this super useful gadget from Claw, a multifunctional laptop portable stand, guys. Build quality is nice. It's got those dual fans for cooling also, and it's like fully flexible, convenient. You can use it anywhere. Only thing is, I've told you, right, if you increase the height of this table too much, or if you put a lot of weight on it, it starts to wobble left to right. And also while you're typing in these sort of scenarios, it shakes a bit. So that is the only thing you'll have to keep in mind. This thing costs around like 1400 or 1500 rupees on Amazon. I'll just leave links in the description box below. You can check it out there. So if you all enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.